So hello guys, let's discuss the concept of charge induction in metal bodies in detail. So as per our previous lecture, we actually as a demo we discussed, but in text format. Say we are given with a metal body, and in front of a metal body we place a point charge plus q. Okay, that is the metal body. We know that due to this point charge plus q, an electric field will exist. Electric field will exist in radially outward direction, and inside the metal body we consider a point x. So inside a metal body, when we consider a point x, then due to this point charge q, electric field at point x will exist in this direction, which can be considered as external electric field. Due to this charge plus q, as q is an external charge with respect to the metal body, now in this situation, if electric field is in the direction towards the right, a free electron at the location of point x will experience a please my words, please try to understand my words, experience a force in backward direction, and due to which we can say that this electron will start traveling towards the left and not only this electron. In this reason, many electrons will start drifting towards left direction. Okay guys, so and due to which on left surface some negative charges are induced, and as electrons are drifted from right side to the left side, on the right surface some positive charges are induced. So guys, and when these positive and negative charges are induced, these will develop an electric field. Okay, so these will develop an electric field in opposite direction, which can be written as electron format, which is the induced electric field, which is due to the negative charge toward left and due to the positive charges also toward left. So net electric field will be due to both of these charges. Net electric field is due to both of these charges, which can be written as minus q and plus q must be equal. Which must be equal because the body was initially uncharged. Okay, so if it is uncharged guys, then separation of charges takes place. Separation of charges takes place due to the external effect, which is called charge induction. Charge induction, if it is in metal body, then metal bodies. Now as some negative charges are induced over here, we know that guys, electric lines which are originated from a positive charge, have a tendency, please mind my words guys, have a tendency to terminate on a negative charge rather to move towards infinity. So in this situation, some of the electric lines from the positive charge will terminate on these negative induced charges. Okay, but be careful. As being a metal body, electric lines termination must be perpendicular to the surface at every point. Similarly, from these are perpendicular, okay, perpendicular lines. From these positive charges on the other surface, electric lines will from these positive charges on the other surface, electric lines will be originated. Okay, will be originated and move towards the infinity like this. So this will be the electric field lines configuration in the surrounding of this metal body. This metal body is initially discharged, guys. Please, discharge, guys. In discharge, consider. So, body of the placement of external charge, and here we can see continuously minus Q and plus Q. Minus Q and plus Q will increase till the value of electric field will balance the external electric field. Okay. So this is a very important concept. We can write a note which you must is a very important concept. We can write a note which you must always remember that what you remember? When a metal body is placed in an external electric field, in this case, external electric field is due to this positive charge are induced. So on the surface of metal body, such that finally means after complete induction of charges, net electric field inside the body will become zero. Net electric field inside the body will become zero, as we already discussed that charge induction continues. Charge induction continues till the electric field inside is zero, or we can say that electric field due to induced charges will exactly balance the electric field. This is the induced electric field which balance external electric field. So due to the external charge at every point inside the body, So we can say at every point inside the body, electric field due to induced charges, electric field due to induced charges exactly equal and in opposite direction. Mind my words. To that electric field due to the external charge, so due to which charge induction is taking place. Where in continuation we can also discuss the effect. What we discussed? Discuss the effect of an external electric field on a metal body which is initially charged, for which we can write it. If a charged body is placed in an external electric field, its charge distribution is modified. So its charge distribution is modified in a way, in a way that net electric field inside the body is zero. Okay. So we can see a physical situation here. Here guys, here. This is a metal sphere which is uniformly charged positively, and here in this situation of an isolated metal sphere, if an external electric field is applied here, we can say that due to external electric field inside the body, electrons will experience the force. So electrons will experience the force, students, and in the left direction. The electrons will shift from right side to the left side. Shifting of electrons from right side to left side when an induced electric field is lines are passing through this metal sphere. So due to which here we can see on the right side face of the metal sphere the positive charge. Okay, the positive charge density increases. And due to drift of these electrons to the left side, positive charge density on left side decreases. Right side increases, but left side decreases, and it continues till the net electric field inside the body is what is zero. So here we can say that inside the metal sphere, external electric field is in rightward direction, and due to increased positive charge, due to increased positive charge density on right side and less positive charge density on left side, so what will happen? These charges will develop and induce electric field in the opposite direction, and the induction which is our topic in just now. Induction or modification in this charge distribution continues till till electric field is equal. Induction or modification. So in this charge distribution continues till electric field is equal to E. And finally we can say that the net electric field inside will be equal to 0. Because why? Because electric field due to the modified charge distribution at the interior point will be exactly balanced. Okay, exactly balance the external electric field. So here we can say that what? As inside no net electric field exists. So finally no electric line of force exists. Okay. So inside the metal body and electric lines will exist only in outer region. And here we can say that finally the charge distribution is modified such that the final electric field inside becomes 0. Okay, so that is our today topic and previous topic text in text format. So our first lecture is only oral basis. So first crux of first lecture is display in only this part. Okay, only this part where we discuss charging of a metal conducting body. So what we study in our first lecture, this is also take as a recall or revision session also for previous video. So I am try to correlate yesterday session and today session, that you are comfortable or very comfortable feel or easily correlate. Okay, so first point, on an isolated metal body, charge is automatically distributed in such a way that on its outer surface is what? Yes, surface charge density is inversely proportional to the radius of curvature. Okay, and second point is charges are always distributed on its metal body surface such that induced electric field will be 0, and always a metal body is equipotential. Okay, equipotential means equal in potential. Okay, potential inside the metal is equal. As outer surface is equipotential at every point, that is the explanation. Third is the explanation of third is fourth. As outer surface is equipotential at every point on surface, direction of electric field will be perpendicular to the surface. These are the perpendicular lines, guys. Okay, then as our today lecture text, charge induction in metal bodies. Okay, these are all things are discussed already. So these are in text format. So here this is the diagram. Okay, let us consider metal body initially uncharged. Okay, and note, when a metal body is placed in an is placed in an external electric field, charge are induced on its surface such that finally means after completing induction, net electric field inside the body will become zero. Okay, then if a charged body is placed in an external electric field, its charge distribution is modified in a way that net electric field inside the body is zero. So these are already explained in our lecture. So this is the today topic. And for more updates, if you want to get more such type of videos, then never forget to like, subscribe, share and comment in my channel. Okay, and please connect on Insta and YouTube and Facebook also. Links are already shared in description box of my video, or shorts or reels, whatever all things are. Okay, so thanks.